I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you some questions from the previous test papers. The question here is to evaluate limit of the function when x approaches square root 3, and the function is x minus square root 3 divided by x square minus 3. Now if I substitute square root 3 here, what do I get? Let me do that. So what do we get here is, for x, if I substitute square root 3, I will get square root 3 minus square root 3 in the numerator, and here we have square root 3 square minus 3. Now that is 0 over 0. It is an indeterminate, and it shows us that in this particular case we do have a common factor in numerator and denominator, x minus square root 3. That makes this 0 over 0. So the strategy is to factorize, right? So the strategy here is factorize. So we need to factorize to solve this question. So let us do so. So we have limit x approaches square root 3. Let me rewrite the question first. X minus square root 3 divided by x square minus, instead of 3, let me write this as square root 3 square, right? So we got a square minus b square in the denominator. You remember a square minus b square could be written as a plus b times a minus b, right? So we'll factor. So what we get here is limit x approaches square root 3, x minus square root 3 in the numerator, and denominator could be written as x plus square root 3 times x minus square root 3. So we have limit x approaches square root 3, numerator is x minus square root 3, and in the denominator we could cancel one of these factors, correct? So let me rewrite and then cancel. So we have x plus square root 3 times x minus square root 3. So we could cancel this factor. So that gives us limit x approaches square root 3, 1 over x plus square root 3. Now we can substitute square root 3 here. So we get 1 over square root 3 plus square root 3, which is 1 over 2 square root 3, correct? So that is our answer. So at times what we can also do is rationalize it, right? So we could rationalize and also write down the answer as square root 3 over, so when you rationalize you get 2 times 3 as 6, right? Let me show you this part on the side. It is 1 over 2 square root 3. We are multiplying and dividing by square root 3. That is rationalizing this denominator. So that is square root 3 square, which is 3. So we get square root 3 over 2 times 3, which is 6. So we get square root 3 over 6. So you could write answer in this form also. So that is how we can actually find the limit of such a function. I'm Anil Kumar. You can subscribe and learn a lot from my videos. Thank you and all the best.